Hey everybody, this is Sue Craig, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Cleveland, Ohio. And today I want to show you a technique. I've been playing with embossing powder and I love experimenting with different ways of using it. Today what I want to show you is how to do something called a faux metal technique. We're going to be using silver embossing powder. We're going to be using Versamark. We're going to need a stamp, and I'm using the thank you stamp from Heart Shaped, which is a new stamp and die set from the Celebration. And I'm going to take a piece of white paper. You don't have to have white, it could be anything at all. The idea is we're going to layer our silver embossing powder. So I'm just going to push down with the Versamark, and I'm going to put the silver embossing powder on there, and then we're going to emboss. Now this is going to take 3, maybe 4 layers. And I'm going to move this away from what's already there. You can't see me doing this, but you'll see it soon. I'll put it back in the camera in just a minute. Alright, so we have 1 layer. Now keep in mind this is hot after you use your heat tool, and I know I'm not trying to insult you at all, but sometimes we get so involved in what we're doing that we forget those things. So I'm just going to add Versamark again, and then I'm going to add some more embossing powder, so I have another layer. I think this time I'm going to move this so you can see how it heats up. I'm going to heat it from underneath. And you can see it's heating much faster. Okay, we'll bring this back, and then we're going to put some Versamark on it again. Remember, this is hot, so be careful. Versamark on it. Add your embossing powder again. This can be any color. Move that out of the way. In order to make this go faster, you also could put a piece of aluminum foil behind it, or a pan, a tray. I don't have that today, but you could do that. Now, we'll probably do one more layer. Woo, lost my Versamark here. Okay, one more. Remember, again, this is hot. All right, now we have quite a few layers. I think it's 4 layers now on here. And what we'll see when we heat this is it's going to start to get gooey, kind of like metal. And what I'm going to do then, once it does that, is I'll set this down, and then I'm going to push my stamp into the embossing. You'll see what this looks like. It looks liquidy, doesn't it? So now I'm just going to set this down into the embossed area and then lift it up. It's not going to hurt your stamp. You can see there's nothing on my stamp. It has not melted my stamp. And you can see that now I have the word thank you on this piece, which looks like it could be a metal tag. I can cut this and add it to my card. I can add it to some of the ribbon I've done where I've added silver embossing to the ribbon. But this is called faux metal. I hope you like the technique. I hope you give it a try. And thanks for watching.